Pairing your iPhone or Android phone to your 2022-2023 Kia Carnival allows for hands-free calls, music streaming, and contact syncing. The Carnival uses Bluetooth 5.0 for faster data transfer and a better range. First, ensure your car is in park with the ignition on. On the infotainment screen, go to Settings, then Phone, then Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth. On your phone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and scan for devices. Your Carnival should appear as KA Carnival or similar. Select it and enter the PIN if prompted, usually 000 or 1234. Once paired, allow contact and media syncing via your phone. Android users will also activate Android Auto, while iPhones will enable Siri integration and CarPlay. Keep your phone within 30 feet for a stable connection. Kia has issued patches to improve compatibility with newer iOS and Android versions. If issues persist, wired connections are recommended for optimal performance. If you experience Bluetooth pairing or connectivity issues in your 2022-2023 Kia Carnival, start by checking for over-the-air software updates through the vehicle's settings menu or the Kia app. These updates often fix stability and compatibility problems. For iPhone users, note that some iOS 18 and later versions may cause glitches, so install the latest Kia patch. If issues persist, delete the existing pairing on both your phone and the car, then repair from scratch. For better audio quality, consider using a wired connection, as Bluetooth has bandwidth limitations. Regularly clear your phone's Bluetooth cache to prevent conflicts. Ensure no other devices interfere with the Bluetooth signal. If all else fails, visit your Kia dealer for assistance. Looking ahead, Kia plans 5G-based connectivity in future models to reduce Bluetooth reliance.